Okay, what's up, guys? I am finally finished with the lights all around the house, all 24. Let's give it a quick tour. I just wanted to give it a quick tour real quick because, man, it's been what, since last week Monday when I started this? They are RGB recessed can lights, 4-inch diameter, but it measured 4.75 inch, so maybe 4 3/4 the size of the light. It is controlled through Bluetooth. I don't know if you noticed, but in the front I don't have these. I took them off. These are outdated. I never liked them ever since the house was built. So what I did was that since it has its own switch, the front has a switch and the back ones have a switch. So I put them all on the same switch for the spotlights in the front. I don't know if you can see it. And I kept the base where I repurposed it so that I can hide the cables, the wires, all the Romex, the BX cable inside it. So it has its own dedicated light switch inside the house. Whenever you want to like turn these on, both nothing's gonna happen because you have these lights that is dedicated to that switch. So all the lights will turn on with that switch. These will stay only because just in case anybody wants to come into the alley, have a cookout. I do plan on building a storage here and a pergola right here, but that's in the future. But right now I think this is a win. I mean, just look at that. I mean, it's just beautiful. See, little camera. It took me last week Monday I started it. I finished today. These are 23 because I put 7, 5, 4 in the front and another 7 on the side. I finished these 3 today. I used MC cable 12, 2 all around. I just found it more. That's because I found it for cheap. I found almost, I think it was about 150 feet that I used for the BX cable. So it's metallic cable, no Romex, nothing, nothing cheap. Everything was like super expensive. Connectors, the little red devils, the anti-shorts. Came out great. I mean, I just can't ask for anything more. Jesus, look how bright these things are, man. Let me just show you real quick the base. They supposedly has like 16 million switches, well, lights. They do have its own mode. That's the base. That's where the wires are at, where the Romex from the house and the 2 BX cables from the side and this light connect one another. All 3 flexes are in there. It looks good. You can't even tell. I did touch it up. I put some caulking and some other places I couldn't drill into because some of the soffits, how it runs off, it's a 4 roofer, a 4-sided roof. So there's gonna be some 2x4s running along the soffit. Damn, I just can't believe it's finally finished. So what do you guys think? It looked good. I just left it alone. Looks pretty damn good to me.